Let us look at how we can use WireGuard on our computer. Now, first of all, make sure you have a working configuration that you will use to connect WireGuard. There are many ways to create a configuration, but two of those is to, one, get your own server, and two, get a configuration from a friend. If you want to get your own server, check the link in the description. Now on my server, I have a QR code here, and what we have to do first is to create a tunnel from our phone using the QR code. So this is one of the ways. This is not the only way. Another way is to have a .com file that you can download from your server using FTP, but that is so hectic to do. So the easiest way is to scan a QR code from your phone. Let me open WireGuard from my phone here. So open WireGuard from your phone, then click on the plus, scan the QR code, then create a tunnel. Give it a name. I'm going to call it PC example. Then once the tunnel is created, now what you do is click on the three dots up here, export tunnels to zip file. Enter your pattern or pin. Now the tunnels will be exported to a zip file, and if you use our file manager, you can see in the downloads folder of our phone the WireGuard tunnels export.zip will be there. So what you have to do is to find a way to transfer this zip file to our PC. We can use Telegram. You can just share it to Telegram on your computer, or you can copy it using a USB cable. So I'm going to share it. So I share it to Telegram. And here it is. I can just download it from my PC, and now it is downloaded. So once I have gotten the tunnel, now what I do is I go to Google and search for WireGuard install. Search install WireGuard. Now you'll see this first website that takes you to wireguard.com/install. Now you choose any of the operating systems here. I'll choose Windows and get the Windows installer. As the installer is downloaded, I open my downloads folder and I'll click on the exe file and wait for it to load. Grant the administrator permission. Now this will start to download and install WireGuard. Once WireGuard is done installing, now open it, and what you have to do is to click on import tunnels from file, then go to your downloads folder. I will use Telegram desktop, and then locate the other zip file that we exported from our phone. Click open. Now you see our tunnel is here. Click on it, then on the side here click on activate. Let's click on activate, and it will start to connect WireGuard. Now WireGuard is installed. If we go to my ip.com to check my current IP address, now we'll be able to see that WireGuard is installed and we are connected to our server. So there we go. Country United States, that's where our server is. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any future interesting videos like these ones. And if you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Yeah, and if you find the video helpful, just leave a like.